To keep calls in a pop-up after answering on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, open Phone app. Tap More icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then tap Setting. Scroll down the screen. Tap Call Display while using apps, and then tap the gray on-off switch next to Keep Calls in Pop-up until the switch on screen to turn it on. As a note, this option only available if you set to display the calls to small pop-up or mini pop-up. With this setting, calls will stay in a pop-up window even after you answer, letting you use other apps without losing the sight of call. It's perfect for multitasking, whether you need to check email, browse, or take note during conversation. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.